Two turn in front, fast, one definitely pick. Okay, so arm up, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slow definitely pick. 5 and no, when we do fast, okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, plie on 8. And then we do encore. 1, 2, 3, plie 4, 5, 6, 7, plie 8. Inside encore, okay? And then outside like do 32 plie, slow, don't rush. 4 32 plie, feel the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pass it, definitely on relay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times, side by side. And plie encore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside encore. And outside 4 32 plies. 1, feel the toes. Feel the toes. Passing relay. Arm up. Finding your center.